Hey guys, welcome back to the car channel. Character Driver here, back with another video. Today we're doing the camshaft position sensor on my Chrysler 2015 Chrysler 200. Now there were 4 codes that showed up on my scanner, and they led me to believe that the camshaft position sensor might be the issue. It was some stuff that I had to Google. P0123 is one of the codes, and then P1CEC, I think, and then there was another one that didn't seem as important. But yeah, so I'm trying the camshaft position sensor. Seems like a pretty straightforward, easy job. There are some other videos on it, but figured since I'm doing it, I'll make a video on it. Let's go, I'll show you. Right there, super accessible under where the cover was. The sensor's right there. All I'm gonna do is take my 10mm ratchet and take this cover off, this heat shield off, and then I believe it's a 10mm on the sensor as well. As a side note, you might not want to let your hand rest here on this plastic because I put a little pressure on it and broke it. $10mm there as well. Yep, 10mm. I saw on places online that they said you should do this while the engine is cool, so keep that in mind. I broke it loose. Let's see if I can just unscrew it with my hand. Yep, it's loose. I'm actually gonna go ahead and unhook this here real quick. I might need like a screwdriver to do this, but I'm gonna unplug it before I finish unscrewing it, unbolting it. My trusty Jeep. See what I got for screwdrivers here. You pull this up and you think it should come right up then. So I was like pulling on this, like, why is this so stuck? You also have to push the back piece here to get it to unlock. This is like a first lock, and that's the second lock. It's weird, but just a helpful tip in case you need it. So this is the 10mm that comes out that holds the camshaft sensor in. And all I had to do then was turn this like 45 degrees, not even, and then it came right out. I have no way of knowing if this is bad. Can't tell if it looks bad, but we're gonna put the new one in and see how it goes. Yep, looks about right. Now I reached in there and got a little bit of oil to put on the O-ring around it to help it seal. See if we can get this thing to slide in there. Took a little bit of effort to get it to go in there right. Had to push it in and then turn it just a little, and it went in. I got the bolt lined up, about to start it. All right, I just tightened that thing down, that 10mm down a little bit. I mean, I got it snug. All right, got this in place, but got to push this lock down. Okay, so as far as I can tell, that should be good. Now it's just the heat shield. One quick side note, I bent it a little pulling it off. Just be careful when you're pulling it off because it bends very easily. It's thin aluminum. So yeah, this should go over here like that. Got to put the 10mm nut on and we'll be good. Among sensors that I have changed, that is one of the easiest ones. That was very simple. All I've got to do now is put the cover back on. It snaps into place, snaps out of place. I might make a quick short showing people how to do that in case they're a little weary about breaking it. And yeah, it'll be good.